Hurry up and get started. The body is equipped with dual high-definition lens modules, supports 90-degree electric up and down adjustment, paired with ICE electronic anti-shake, can steadily improve the clarity and image quality of aerial photography. The body is made of highly textured rubber paint material, foldable and convenient design. The total weight is only 249 grams. No need to obtain certification and fly. Brushless motors, 2000 mAh modular battery. One-click takeoff, up to 25 minutes of battery life. In addition to providing strong power, it can also withstand wind at level. Cooperate with optical flow positioning system, stable hovering, hand gesture photography and hand gesture recording. Free your hands and freeze the beautiful times. Targeting the most worrying issue for beginners regarding flying, the losing. H-Jaw is also equipped with a front, rear, left, and right omnidirectional obstacle avoidance perception system. Novice can also fly safely. It still has a trajectory to fly. Intelligent follow, 360-degree stunt roll. This type of device can satisfy the fun of beginners getting started quickly. Hurry up and get started.